It may often be the case that in your Teamwork Desk installation, you may have a particular agent managing the tickets for a particular client company. Rather than having to manually assign all of those tickets to that agent and risking something being missed, you can easily apply a trigger to automatically assign all of those tickets to that agent. Doing so is really easy. All you need to do is select the profile picture on the top right, select your site settings. Next up, select the Inboxes tab. And if we have a particular inbox that we want to use, we can easily select one. And now we just need to go down here to Triggers and then select New Trigger. Now we can easily name our trigger. And then down here in Conditions, we can choose Select Condition. Now we select Customer Email. We can leave this as Contains. Now we need to add the end of that company email address. So that's essentially whatever is after the @ symbol. So for example, here this will take any customer whose email address is something@flynnlegal.com. Now that we've added our condition, we can scroll down and add our action. And this is where we'll select the particular agent who will be assigned that ticket, which means we need to select Assign to User. Next up, we just select that user. So I'll go with myself. And now all we need to do is select our inboxes. If that particular company only has access to certain inboxes, then we can just select those, or indeed we can select all. We can also choose to apply this trigger to all currently matched tickets. Then once we're happy, just select Create Trigger. And there you go, now our trigger has successfully been created, and any tickets created from users in that company will automatically be assigned to that user. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us, support@teamwork.com.